Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, class. How are you all doing? Good. That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. So, welcome to your computing class. In today's class, we will end our syllabus, and then, inshallah, from next week onwards, we will be having a revision, and then we will prepare ourselves for the final assessment. So today's class is about the activities. We will be doing activities in today's class, definitely on Excel sheet, because the unit that we are working on from the last week is Excel sheet. So we started with what is a spreadsheet or what is an Excel sheet. Why do we call it as a spreadsheet? What is the purpose of it? Who use it, right? So I told you that almost every department, almost every office, every type of people, they need an Excel sheet. In every type of offices, they use this to keep the record of their employees. To finance department uses, teachers use it to make the result cards, etc., etc. So Excel sheet is used by everybody, right? So we have learned this so far, that Excel sheets are important for us. Now what we will be doing in today's class, so after that we have also learned that what are the cells in the Excel sheet, what are their initial names. They're like B2, C3, 48D, right? So they have multiple names. So but we can add different values in the cell. So when we add a value, that become the name of that cell, right? Beside that, we have also learned that we can add something, we can apply different formulas on the Excel sheet by clicking the cell on which we want to apply that formula, and then clicking on the formula, it will automatically give up the answer within a second, right? So we have also learned what is a formula bar. And I told you that, let's say you have this confusion that whether I have done it properly or not, you can just go and check and confirm it from the formula bar, because it shows you the whole, that how much cells they have added or subtracted or whatsoever. So you can just check it for, confirm it from there, that whether you have done it right or not, right? Okay. So I'm going to share the screen with you. We will together revise the whole of it, whatsoever we have learned so far about the spreadsheet. So over here in the type section, you will write Excel. And then it will show you different answers to that. So the first stop, which is Excel, I will click on this. It's the top most, right? From here, we will click on the blank workbook, right? Because I don't want to open a previous one, so I will open a blank. Now this has opened in front of us, and these are the different cells in the Excel sheet. This is D4, this is D5, this is D11, this is G2, right? These are different names, and now we can add values in it as well. So in today's class, what we are going to, we are going to make a list of fruits in my basket, right? List of fruits in my basket. Okay. So list of fruits in my basket. So over here, now I will be writing the names of different fruits. And over here, we will write the number of the fruits that we have in the basket. Okay. Okay. So and let's start with everybody's favorite mango. Then we have cherries. What next? Okay, then we have apricot. Yes, what next? Okay, then we have peach. Then we have apples. Then we have bananas. And what else do we have in our fruit basket? Okay, let's add the last one, which are pomegranates. Okay, now let's write their numbers. So I have 3 mangoes. Well, everybody will make their own list, right? You're supposed to make your own list of fruits. So I have 3 mangoes. I have a bunch of cherries, so I consider them as, let's say, 12. Well, I have only one apricot. I have 2 peaches, 1 apple, 6 bananas, and 2 pomegranate. Okay, so this is my list of fruits, and you will be making your own, right? The next is that I want the computer to add this for me, that how much fruits do I have in total. So for that, what I'll be doing, I will select the cells in which the numbers are written from here till there. So these are the cells in which the numbers are written. First, I have selected them. Now I will click on the formula. So over here, I'll click on sum, right? And you see, within a blink of eye, the computer has given me the answer, which is 26. So let me write over here the total, which means that this cell basically tells us about the total number of fruits that I have in my basket. Now, what is your class activity? You are also supposed to make a list of the fruits that you have in your basket. So hurry up, make a list, and then discuss it with me, that what are the fruits that you have included and what is the total number of fruits in your basket. Follow the same procedure. First, step the Excel or the spreadsheet on your computers by typing the Excel in the search bar. Open a new worksheet, not the previous one, and then make a list of fruits in your basket. Hurry up. Let me know when you are done. Yes, all of you are working. Is there any confusion? Okay, very good. Yes. Okay, wonderful. Excellent. So that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do practice it at your home and let me know if you have any confusion in working with the spreadsheet so that we can resolve it together before moving toward the revision week. And do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.